Yeah, good evening, my viewers. Good evening, my listeners, to all my subscribers, and to all of you that has been following me on this $100 challenge. I'm bringing you day 7 has just been completed. I have made day 7. Day 5 is supposed to be 299. Sorry, 299 USD. Sorry, day 6 is supposed to be 299 USD. Making 20% of 299 will be 60 USD, which I have done. I have done that. Look, if you look at my profit, my profit is 70.58 USD. So although the day was a bit rough, but at least I've been able to achieve my goal, my pursuit for the day. Now I have my equity intact. My equity is intact. It's supposed to be 258 at day 7, but what I have here is 36. Sorry, it's supposed to be 358 at day 7, but what I have here is 367. So I have extra, so that my workload for tomorrow will be a bit less. Maybe I can just continue working until as far as I'm free to to chase the markets. The result will keep coming. I have just completed day 7, so I'll be looking at making day 8. And if you are just joining, here is the chart. It is a 30-day chart. Sorry, it is a 30 days chart. This is if you make $20 of your equity daily without withdrawal. Whatever thing you make today, 20% of $100 you make today, you make 20% of $100. You don't withdraw. If you add the 20%, which is $20 to 100, will give you 120. The next day you make 20% of the 120, and continuously like that. 20% of the equity for the following day, like that for 31 days. You should be counting this sum of cash to your account. 23,000 plus the profit will be 28,485 USD. All yours, all yours. I just concluded day 7. I'm proceeding to day 8. I just want to bring this news to you guys that this thing works. It is the efforts, it is the time you put in that will give you the results. It is when you set a target that this is what I want to achieve for the day. Like me, I projected today to be a successful day. Like I must get my 20% of 299 USD, and here I have it. I'm displaying it to you guys now. Here is it. Here I have the money in my account. Here is the money. I have 367. Now let's go back to the history. Look at the history. Is a bit rough, but at least I made some. Here is the history for today. If you look at the history, it's a bit rough, but at least there's something. You see what I did. You see what I did, and it has been working. It has been working, so that most of us will not say maybe he's trying to fund his account to raise the money for people to believe or something. No, it is real. It is legit. I have some flaws, but at the end of the day, there is the result at the end of the day. It is not every trade you take that will be successful, but at least out of 100%, I still score like 80, 85. If you look at the trade, it's a bit rough, but at least I got what I wanted for the day. So here is my total equity for today. So I'm going to make 20% of this. I'm supposed to make on the day 7. Let's go back to the chart. The day 8, that is the day 8. Let's look at day 8. Day 8 is supposed to be 3. Okay, day 8 is supposed to be 430 at the end of the day. That is, if I'm making 20% of 358, it's supposed to come out 430 the next day. So my target is targeting $430. That is making $72, which is 20% of 358 will give me 72 USD. If I add it to the 358, I will be having a total of 430 USD at the 8. So this is it, guys. It has been working, and it's been working for me. I don't know about you, but I want you to put this at the back of your mind that whatever you set your mind to do, if you work towards it, you grind on it, keep pushing. If you fail today, doesn't mean you will fail forever. So many people, so many persons, even the ones close to me, if I begin to call names, you'll be shocked. Some persons that are very close to me, like blood, they mocked at me when I started this journey. They were like, you want to go and waste your time now and all that. I tried, and now I'm getting the results. And I want to encourage you guys out there that you can do it. If me myself, talking now, can do it to this level, I believe you guys out there can do better. You can do better. So try your best possible. Get anyhow, just fund your account, 100 USD. 100 USD can turn you to a millionaire. My target is this 31 days. That is my pursuit. I'm pursuing these 31 days, and by the grace of God, I know we'll get there. We'll get there with what I have seen, today. I was a bit under pressure, trying to push it hard. I was making some errors because I was facing my system all day. I just want to display to you guys that you can still do it. I wanted to make a video and show to you guys that things still happens like this. It's not all internet stuff that is fraudulent. You can still go to the internet and make good money, real money, wealth out of the internet. The internet is like an ocean. You take your hook, your net, your drag net, you go catch your fish and you come out. That is how the internet is like. And the Forex market is the biggest market in the world. As it stands, it is the biggest market in the world. Over 5-10 trillions of dollars passes through the market every day. So why am I going to sit back down, folding my hands, and money is passing through me while I'm with my phone? I have a phone, I have an iPad, I have a laptop that I can use to browse the internet. Even with 100 naira data, I'm already in the internet. Why will I sit back down and fold my hands and do nothing when I know I can go to the internet and make money? So here I am, guys. I'm giving this to you guys. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. Challenge yourself. Tell yourself you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Just get your friends, get people out there, get one or two who can assist you. Even if you don't have the whole funds, get $100. You understand? Fund your account. If you want to join my VIP, this is real VIP. I will give you a big secret. A secret I learned today, and it worked. That was what even pushed me to this level. A big secret. It worked. I think it works like magic, like bomb, and it has been working. I want to encourage you guys to push it hard. Don't give up. Don't give up on yourself. Don't go asking yourself, what kind of life am I living? No, I have asked that question before. I asked myself such questions before. When life was a bit tough, when things were a bit tough, and so many mockers were all over the place, like, what is he doing? He's a graduate and stuff like that. But that one is past now. It's behind me. I'm making my money now. I'm making a living, and I want to encourage some of you guys that are still trying to push it. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on the things you do. Whatever thing you do to make you happy, drive it hard and you achieve your goals. You understand? So let me shut this video here. Let me stop this video here and go back. I want to go and freshen up because I've been sitting all over the system all day trying to do one or two, trying to push, get some information and all that. I will see you in my next video, and I will see you when I completed day 8 of this challenge. Immediately I complete day 8 of the challenge, I will bring it up to you guys. So I love you guys. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get my videos whenever I drop any informative video. I love you guys. Thank you for all you've been doing. Thank you for following me. Thank you for joining this channel. Bye bye.